How to combine multiple photos into one PDF on your iPhone. If you want to turn several photos into a single PDF file without using any third-party apps, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Next, tap Select in the top right corner and choose all the photos you want to include in your PDF. Now, tap the Share button in the bottom left corner. Scroll down and tap Print. On the Print options screen, place 2 fingers on the preview and pinch out to open the photos as a PDF document. Next, tap the Share button in the bottom right corner. Select Save to Files. Choose the folder where you'd like to save the PDF, then tap Save. Your selected photos will now be combined into a single PDF file that you can open, share, or send whenever you need it. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know